In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate slides in Figma. If you're building a presentation or a design system walkthrough, duplicating a slide is a fast way to keep your layout, styles, and animations consistent while you update the content. Let's walk through it together so you can do it confidently every time. First, go to the Figma home screen. Whether you're using the desktop app or the browser, you can always return to home from the top left of the interface. Home is where all your files live, including your recent work and team projects. This is the best starting point so you can quickly find the slide deck you want to edit. Next, select the slide deck you want to work on. From Home, look under Recents or navigate into the project where your file is stored. Open the file that has your slides. When the file loads, make sure you're in Slides view. You'll see a vertical panel on the left with thumbnail previews of each slide and the main canvas area on the right. Now, choose the slide you want to duplicate. In the left thumbnail panel, hover over the slide to confirm it's the one you want. Right-click directly on that thumbnail. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This will open a context menu with several options specific to slides. From the context menu, click on Duplicate. Figma will instantly create a copy of the selected slide. The duplicate usually appears directly below the original in the slide list with the same content, layout, and any animations or interactions that were attached to the slide. This is particularly helpful when you want to keep a consistent structure and only change text, images, or data. At this point, you've successfully duplicated a slide. You can click the new slide to select it and begin editing right away. If you need your duplicate to appear elsewhere in the deck, simply drag it up or down in the left panel to reorder. If you don't see the duplicate option or nothing happens, double check that you have edit access to the file and that you're right-clicking the slide thumbnail, not the canvas. Keeping your slides organized by naming them clearly and grouping related sections can also save time as your deck grows. That's all there is to it. You went from Home, opened your deck, right-clicked the slide you needed, and clicked Duplicate to create an exact copy. Practice this a few times and you'll speed up your workflow while keeping your presentation polished and consistent.